Thanks again for connecting today. And as everyone knows, or most of you probably connected, if you have already received the message directly from me or from the Slack group, this is part of the sessions that we do on Python for petroleum engineers and geoscientists. And we have been progressing in quite few different libraries and tools around Python for multiple purposes over the last few weeks. And today, as usual, the session it's sponsored by Primera Resources and OpenSim Technology. I'm going to be presenting the session today. And just a reminder of the resources available online for everyone. We have a Slack community that it's actually beyond 800 members already. And for anyone that has not signed up, just let me know. And the idea of a Slack community is not only for me to distribute these sessions, but also for anyone to start exchanging questions and ideas on the community. We also have the OrcaHub repository on GitHub so that we can share the codes generated on these sessions. And the webinars, of course, these are the webinars and more always hands-on tutorials rather than discussions or presentations. We do hands-on presentations on Python. And we have a YouTube channel on OrcaHub. You can search for it, and it's growing quite quickly. So the agenda for today, we're gonna change a bit the pace from previous sessions. We've always been working on Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebooks, and this time around I'm going to move to PyCharm, which is a full IDE or a full development environment to work on Python. And I'm going to show you how to manage your libraries and environments directly in PyCharm, and also how to access a database and how to visualize the database from PyCharm. There are multiple functionalities that probably I won't be covering here, but just baby steps on the introduction to PyCharm. And then I will move on to the problem itself. I'm going to create a dashboard, and that's the objective, to create a dashboard in this case, a web dashboard. And I'm going to present a problem, which is a numerical simulation, benchmarking or sensitivity analysis on a numerical simulation. And we're going to show some perturbations that we have done on the physics of a model or a numerical model. And then we're going to create a dashboard from these results. In the process, I'm not going to show you how we generated the results. I'm not going to launch simulation cases. The only thing that we're going to do is visualize the results. Jico, I'll answer the questions as soon as I get to that point. So the objectives for the session today, it's, as I mentioned, PyCharm options mainly, managing environments and libraries in Python, and putting together a dashboard in Dash.